In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a 4-page funeral program in Canva. We'll build a thoughtful, elegant program from a ready-made template so you can focus on honoring a life, not wrestling with layout. Start by opening Canva and selecting Type Funeral Program. Then pick a pre-designed template that matches the tone you want: classic, floral, or minimalist. Templates give you a strong foundation. You'll simply swap in your details while keeping a cohesive design. Before editing, keep the layout structure in mind. This document is 2 spreads. Page 1 is the outer spread, the left panel is the back cover, and the right panel is the front cover. Page 2 is the inner spread, the left panel is the inside left. Well suited for an obituary and photos, and the right panel is the inside right. Perfect for the order of service. Visualizing how the sheet folds will help you place content on the correct panels. Now, customize the front cover. Add a high-quality photo, the person's name, dates, and a respectful title like "Celebrating the Life of." Aim for clean, centered spacing and keep the text brief to let the portrait shine. If the background is busy, use Canva's background remover, a pro feature to isolate the subject. Then consider a soft shadow or a subtle frame for a polished look. Move to the inside pages. On the inside left, include the obituary and any meaningful photos. Keep paragraphs concise and readable. On the inside right, add the order of service. You can also include pallbearers and acknowledgements here if space allows. Use clear headings and a logical hierarchy so readers can follow along easily. For the back cover, include a photo, a poem, or a heartfelt thank you note. This panel is a gentle closing touch, so keep it simple and balanced. Refine the style with thoughtful typography. A classic serif-like Playfair display or an elegant script like Great Vibes works beautifully. Use script sparingly for headings and a serif for body text to keep everything readable. For imagery, search Canva's elements for doves or flowers. Then lower the transparency to create a soft, unobtrusive background accent. When everything looks right, download your design as a PDF print for the best quality. That's it. Thanks for watching.